Another dirty HP. Well, I did get like 60 plus for under $1, and some of the restorations just, well, they turn out kind of neat. So I wanted to share this with you. For those of you new here, hey, welcome to the channel. It all kind of started out like this. I just gave them a pre-clean, just enough so it doesn't overheat during the BIOS update. I needed a fresh battery for all of these, and it'll still post, but you have to set the date and time every time, kind of like the original Xbox. Since all these DC7800s by HP had Linux on the 80GB hard drives, I'm attaching a different one with Windows pre-installed for the sole purpose of updating the BIOS through the OS. This could be achieved by simply using a USB as well, but this doesn't take long doing it this way. There's just a few security settings I need to change so I know that any newer operating system other than Windows 7 will boot. Now, with the BIOS updated and the settings are correct, I can grab my USB stick, reconnect the Linux hard drive, and proceed with the Windows 10 install. Meanwhile, I had gotten this idea to attach some $6 RGB USB lights I had found at Walmart. See, on these model HPs, there's a bracket that holds the intake fan to the case, and that's just all the room I need to put these lights on, and fan blade won't hit them. So that's pretty cool, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't figure it out. The old Intel Core 2 Quad, and this is a Q6600 and normally has 2.4 gigahertz, 4 cores, 4 threads, but with the little tape trick here, it's going to be right around 3 gigahertz. Now for design, and this is just Walmart spray painted, nothing fancy. And you see the ripples? I tried the dish soap two-tone look first, and I didn't like it, so black it was. I picked up these foot pedals for 25 cents at a discount store. It sells returns and stuff that collects dust, on their shelves. I pulled up some flames on my desktop and cut them with my vinyl cutter. Alright, just a few Windows tweaks and away we go. This PC can hold 8 gigs of RAM, possibly 16, but at the time I could only find 3, so I was shocked, and you might be as well, of the decent performance actually it got. So this old beauty, it does what it can do, and so till we meet again, my friends, don't forget to like, comment, or surely you want to subscribe. Yeah, drive base save. Figures.